Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying core prerequisites. Confirm the Unity editor version exactly matches the project's recorded version, because mismatches cause serialization failures. Next, make sure you have sufficient disk space and correct folder permissions, and temporarily disable antivirus to rule out locks. Once done, open the editor log and the project's packages /manifest. JSON. These files tell you which package or dependency failed. This first pass narrows down causes quickly and sets you up for targeted fixes without trial and error. Now you tackle middle-level problems. If the project stalls during load, delete the library folder to force a clean re-import, because cached metadata often corrupts. Then inspect packages /manifest. JSON and either revert to a working commit or run the package manager repair to reinstall broken packages. If errors point to specific assets or meta conflicts, revert those files from source control or backup. Make sure to keep editor and package logs open while re-importing so you can pinpoint which item triggers failure. Finish by validating that the editor itself isn't the cause. Launch Unity in safe mode or create a blank project and attempt to open the original as a package. This isolates editor versus project issues. If mobile platforms fail, re-import Gradle or iOS settings and ensure external tools path is correct. If problems persist, create a new project and selectively copy assets and project settings from a verified backup, testing as you go. If the project still won't open, check the editor. Log for the single most recent fatal error and address.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.